Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Ford Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at. It's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, CD changer, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, floor mats. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.